In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder. Once Excel launches, go to the home screen and choose Blank Workbook to create a new spreadsheet. This gives you a clean place to practice and start entering information right away. Before typing anything, take a moment to understand the Excel interface. At the top, you'll see the ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and Formulas. These tabs organize the tools you'll use most often. The main area is the worksheet, which is the large grid where your data lives. Rows run horizontally and are labeled with numbers, while columns run vertically and are labeled with letters. Where a row and column meet, you get a cell like A1 or B5. When you click a cell, the formula bar shows its contents and lets you edit them more easily. Now you're ready to enter data. Click any cell, then type text, numbers, or dates. When you're done, press enter to move down to the next row, or press tab to move across to the next column. This makes data entry much faster, especially when you're building a simple table. After entering some information, save your workbook. Go to File, then Save As. Choose where you want to store the file, type a file name, and click Save. It's a good habit to save early so you don't lose your work. Next, you can format your data using the Home tab. This is where you can change the font, size, or color of your text. You can also apply bold, italic, or underline formatting to make headings stand out. If your worksheet needs to look more organized, adjust the text alignment, format numbers as currency, percentages, or dates, and add borders or fill colors to highlight important cells. You can also use basic formulas to perform calculations. In Excel, every formula begins with an equal sign. For example, use equals A2 plus B2 to add numbers, equals A2 minus B2 to subtract, equals A2 times B2 to multiply, and equals A2 divided by B2 to divide. If you want to calculate a total for a range of cells, use the sum function, like equals sum open parenthesis A2 through A10 close parenthesis. To create a simple chart, first select your data, then click the Insert tab and choose a chart type such as column, bar, line, or pie. Excel will generate the chart automatically, which is a quick way to turn raw data into something visual and easier to understand. Finally, to print your worksheet, go to File and then Print. Review the print preview carefully and adjust settings like orientation, margins, or scaling if needed. When everything